Go, 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 go. Find, find, find. Go, go, go.
Wow, that was amazing. I found it.
Where? Where are you?
Hey, in here.
Hi, guys. Welcome back to
The Tannerites.
We just got home from church and decided to play a fun game, and that game is
Mystery Teleportation Box.
That's right, and this time we're going to go by different rules. Are you ready for the rules?
Yes.
We're gonna choose the first one that raises their right hand. Oh, you said me, but I think Danielle. Am I right? Here's the rule. You ready for the rule? There's several rules. We are going to allow you to go somewhere else, to someone else's home. So think about someone else's home that you would like to go to. As soon as you teleport to there, your clothes will be changed and you are going to jump out, and whoever's house you land at, you need to call us immediately so we can come and find you.
Okay, you have to call
Have to call us. Here we go. Ready? Jump in the mystery teleportation box. Close her up. Oh, and there is the box. Danielle, are you ready?
Yeah.
Do you have a spot that you're thinking about?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you guys excited for this?
Yes.
Okay, we are going to a different place. So nowhere in this house. It's gonna be someone else's house, okay? Think of where you wanna go. Are you thinking hard? Neil, are you?
Where did she go?
You know what we should do? Let's go get in the car.
Okay.
Let's go get in the car and just get ready to go.
Okay.
While we wait for a phone call. Do you have your phone?
I'll get it.
Okay, go, go, go. Let's go get in the car. Everybody get in the car. Go, go, go. Let's go get in the car. It's gonna be fun. We gotta go find her.
What? Mom, there's a box.
What? What's going on? What's going on?
Hello, anybody in there?
Wyatt, wait. Did the UPS? Oh my gosh, you guys are forever. What's up? Oh my gosh, it's Tannerites. Where? How did it take your phone really fast?
Did you guys ship yourself here? We did that last week. Did that work very well?
It's the teleporting box.
Oh, that explains why it doesn't have the address sticker.
Oh my goodness! Yeah, go ahead. Let's call your mom.
I love the colors.
Maybe you should do that.
We could go to Disneyland.
No ideas.
We could go to California. Teleport.
So I'm at the old fun adventurous house now. Okay, sweet. Love you. Bye. Okay, they're coming.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Different clothing. Let's go make this happen. So, on to the Ohana Adventures house.
Yeah, let's
And
do
hopefully that's really where Danielle's at. She called you, right?
it. Yeah, she called and
Okay,
said
let's
she
go.
made it. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're here.
So you sent your child to my house.
We did not send her. The teleportation box did it on its own. So Danielle
crazy?
thought about where she was going to go, and she ended up here.
Love us so much.
Who was the first person to see the box? Tell me in this. Who? Wyatt, you were? Guess what you get to do next?
Oh no.
I'm gonna explain the rules, but you get to get in the teleportation box, and you get to go wherever you can think of in your house. You just get into it.
Inside the house?
Inside your house, anywhere inside your house, you think about it, you study it, and you focus it, and don't think about anything else, and then you will be there. And as soon as you're there, you will know it, and then all of us have to go and find you as soon as the box disappears.
Oh my goodness.
So don't
This is
tell
gonna be so
anybody.
fun.
Are you ready for this?
Look at this. This face is really excited.
Are you excited? Okay, hop in the box, hop in the box.
Don't think about your old house.
Okay, we're gonna fold it up.
Don't think about your old house. That wouldn't be very good.
Are you thinking of a place?
Yeah.
Are you focused? You're still here. How come you're still here? Focus.
Try harder.
Ready? Let's see if it's actually here. It's not there. Whoa! That was crazy!
Let's go find him. Let's go find him.
Oh.
Remember the bathroom?
Oh. Maybe in the guest room. In the guest room.
Don't think he's in the guest room.
Oh, probably not.
But I sure found some bouncing things. And I can't find him. The movie room. Love Wyatt!
Wyatt.
Wyatt! Are you in here? Wyatt! Better out here. Are you okay? So cold. Why did you teleport us here? Out of anywhere?
Whoa. What are you doing in the shower?
Oh, it's so cold in here. Did you need a bath?
Who found him? You did?
But I'll just let
So, oh, what a gentleman. So cute. Jump in the box. Everyone else, step back. Okay, remember, focus on the next place you want to go. Focus, focus.
Do you have your spot?
Think.
Okay, hard.
Think of it, you're
It better
still
be
here.
cooler than the bathroom.
Everything is cooler than the bathroom.
Whoa!
Where did she go? Wow, that was amazing!
Hey, come on, guys, let's go find her. Come on, come on.
Where? Let's just quick check.
Not in there? I don't see a box.
Let me check. Where is she? Downstairs! Is she in the movie? Downstairs!
Oh.
The game room. Is she in there? Maybe she's in here. She is in here! Is that you? Ugh. I know what it feels like, Wyatt. It feels like I was spinning. Oh, it's so cold.
Who found her?
I did.
Oh, Savannah, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'm
Jump,
gonna take off my shoes.
jump in the box. Let's go, let's go.
I want to see if the shoe will teleport with her. Here, put the shoe in with you.
Good job.
Whoa! Where'd it go? The shoe.
The shoe was with her.
Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Whoa, that made me like so dizzy.
Where is she?
Oh, man, I don't know.
Well, then why aren't we finding her?
Oh, yeah.
Go, go, go. She's missing. Oh, and you have little hands.
Hello.
She in there? See the box? Okay, let's go, let's go.
Upstairs. Maybe upstairs.
Let's go upstairs.
That way. I see it.
You found it? There it is. Is it Savannah?
Savannah.
Whoa.
Came with me.
Yes, the shoe is here.
Cora.
Who found her? Cora, you did. Do you want to do it next? Oh, you gonna take that with you? Okay. Hop in the box. Think of your place. Think of where you want to go. Think of your favorite spot in the whole entire house.
Where'd she go?
She went.
I don't know. Whoa. Nobody would know that I'm in the TV.
Go, 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 go. Fine, fine, fine. Go, go, go.
Where did you think she would go? Split up. Guys, everybody split up. There. Split up, everybody. Split up. I found her.
Where? Where are you? Where are you? Oh, found her. Where? In the teepee?
Yeah, I just took a guess and she was there.
How'd she get in?
I just took a guess and like maybe she's in the teepee and then she was there. Oh,
Is she there?
fit in here.
What?
You can actually fit
Crazy.
Where are you?
How was it?
in. So fun.
Was it? Did you get dizzy like everyone else?
Yeah.
Oh
My
boy.
goodness. Cora, I'm so glad that you came back to your room. So fun.
Thank you guys so much for playing the teleportation box with us. Also, go check out the Ohana Adventure to see our game of sardines and see who won that game. We love you guys so much. Like this video, comment down below, and subscribe. Check that little bell. We love you, and as always,
You are worth it. Bye guys.
we are playing sardines with the Ohana Adventure. I am on team Unicorn Kitty Mermaid Princess. If you want to see this full game of sardines, jump over to the Ohana Adventure and watch the game. Link will be in the description below.
And I eating cookies. Goodbye.